then as an exchange, conversation, not conversation like an interaction each other. Then he or she will sing my tune. So I respond, "Oi!" like that. So this is how we are living this tradition, and this is the technique which our ancestors has found that this is the best way of communication, especially because we are living in a very remote places where there is no mode of communication except by this jingrwai or this whistling here. So after our Kong Tong, after we have got the recognition from the state government of migrant tourism and the Ministry of Tourism Government of India, we are very grateful that even our Prime Minister Narendra Modi also has heard about this village, has spoken about this village also. And he's proud that Kong Tong, the village within India, has this unique tradition, which there's a core that we should listed it in the UNESCO for intangible cultural heritage. Nowadays, the process is going on, madam. Just last 2 weeks, I think, I got a call from the Sanginata Academy from Tripura that the government of India through the Ministry of Culture have instructed Sanginata.
Nah, mga kong sidip. Bakot pun nogong thong.
Means if we go to Delhi and call Modi, instead of calling hello Prime Minister Narendra Modi, they can call. Because everyone visiting this place, they want to hear about this. And she's a proud mother of Kong Tong village. Okay, she don't know even how to read and.
The music class is so morning.
Actually, I'm not interested.
Yes, music that you can dance. Oh,
Sarji,
no.
siok, hey, apa? Taruh di Pak habis lalu,
Silang.